Hi, good afternoon everyone. I am Mr. Ahmed. I am a student of Holmes Institute, Melbourne campus. My student ID is OSMS3010. Today I am here for my presentation of a course which is Information Technology for Business, and its unit code is HC1041. So, according to my presentation, my topic is complex system. I have created some slides for my presentation. Now I'm going to describe about it. First, my presentation comes with a context which will be included with introduction, and then complex system in business IT, challenges in managing complex system, then managing IT complexity in business, and then conclusion and the references. This all the thing will describe the whole thing that I have provided into the presentation. So let's get started with the introduction. What exactly is a complex system? It is a system composed of interconnected parts that together exhibit properties not evident from the individual parts themselves. Think of it as more than just a sum of its parts. What happens when everything interacts can lead to entirely new behavior or outcomes. My goal today is to explore how this complex system impact business IT and the strategies we can use to manage them effectively. What are the complex systems? Let's start by defining what we mean by complex system. A couple of examples will help illustrate or demonstrate this. The internet is a prime or main example. It is a massive network of connected devices, servers, and services, all interacting to provide the global online environment we experience today. You can predict the behavior of the internet just by understanding one single computer, because it is about how they all interact. Another example we can say like is business organization. Imagine the departments like finance, human resource, HR, and IT. They're interdependent, and the interaction results are in outcomes like smooth operations that you wouldn't get by looking at them in isolation. Key characteristics of complex systems include emergence, also where new properties or behaviors emerge from this interaction, and adaptation, where the system can change in response to external environments. So that was the introduction. And let's head into our next slide, which is complex system is in business IT. Now, how does this complexity show up in business IT systems? Well, modern IT system inherently complex because they involve an interaction of hardware, software, network, and human elements. Take any enterprise today, and its IT infrastructure is composed of multiple interconnected components that must work seamlessly. For instance, we can say IT systems have dependencies across departments like finance, as we said before, human resource, and IT itself. Any small change in one department can ripple through the whole entire system. A great example of this is enterprise resource planning. We can say it in short form like ERP system. These systems integrate all core or the main business processes from supply chain management to accounting. So let's head on to next slide, which is challenges in managing complex systems. So however, managing complex system is not without its challenges. Let's talk about some of the key issues or problems that arise when dealing with these systems. First, we can say, as we said, uncertainty is a significant or important factor. Predicting how a system will behave under different conditions is difficult because of the sheer number of variables at play. It is like trying to predict traffic patterns in a busy city. In a very busy city, it's nearly impossible to forecast every car's movement individually accurately. Secondly, interdependence. Small changes in one part of the system can lead to large, often often unforeseen consequences elsewhere. A minor software like for an example, a minor software update in one department, for instance, lead to unexpected downtime in another. To tackle these challenges or problems, businesses are turning to advanced tools like data analytics and machine learning. These tools helps to predict and the manage of the complexity, allowing businesses to respond more proactively to potential issues. Additionally, adopting a modular system design is a practical solution. By isolating different parts of the system, businesses can better manage each segment of complexity individually, reducing the impact of any one issues. So that was the problem and the challenges that comes while managing complex systems. And we should also know that how we can manage it. Managing, like, that is my next slide, that managing IT complexity in business. Now let's describe about this. So do we manage this complexity effectively? There are a few strategies that businesses can adopt to stay ahead. The first strategy or solution is systems thinking. This involves looking at the system as a whole rather than focusing on individual components. Instead of just focusing on one department or technology, systems thinking requires an understanding how everything is connected. This holistic approach helps in making better decisions that account for the interconnected nature of the business. And finally, and last, we have automation and AI, artificial intelligence. For example, cloud computing is an excellent scalable solution for complex IT systems. It allows businesses to adjust their computing resources dynamically as their needs change, without having to overhaul their whole entire infrastructure. So then they start to a conclusion or final part. To conclude, we have seen how complex systems play a vital role in business IT, and managing this system is no easy task. Businesses face multiple challenges or problems, just like uncertainty, interdependence, and scalability. But with the right strategies and solutions, these challenges can be transformed into opportunities. Let's say by adopting system thinking, decentralized management, and leveraging advanced technologies like AI and cloud computing, businesses can not only manage but also thrive within complexity. Managing complexity isn't just a technical challenge, it is a strategic advancement in today's dynamic business environment. So that was all I have described. I hope I have described everything throughout my presentation, the challenges and solutions. And thank you everyone. I had very happy to take any questions or engage in further decision in this topic. And also for the reference, I have added all the reference that I collected from the internet in my slide number 9. So that's it. Have a nice day. Thank you.